Welcome to Eduzic SharePoint training. Topic is site columns. The agenda for this session or introduction to site columns: create, edit, and delete site columns. And using site columns in a list or a library. What is a site column? A site column is a reusable column which you can use in a list or a library. The scope of the site column is on the created site and its subsites. So we'll be getting many default columns when you create a SharePoint site. So some of the default site columns are description, address. So let me show you practically how to create a site column and how to modify it, how to delete it, and how to use it in a list or a library. So this is my SharePoint site. Click on the settings icon. Click on site contents. Click on site settings, site columns. These are all the default site columns. And this base columns, content feedback, core contact, and calendar columns is the group name. Base columns is a group name. Under this group name, we have this default columns, and content feedback is the group name. Under this, we have this columns, this site columns. So we have this many groups. If you want, we can create a new group based on our requirement. So let me create a site column. Click on create. Providing the name as location 4. I'm giving single line of text. Select the group which you want to place this site column. I'm selecting custom columns. So you can create a new group by selecting here. Just you can enter the group name and that group will be created. So right now I'm taking the existing group. Select based on your requirement. So this is a mandatory one, and if you want to force unique values, you have to select yes. Finally, click on OK. So location 4 is created. To see that, select the group here, custom columns. Location 4 is created. I'm selecting all groups. All the groups are displayed here. You can scroll down and you can see custom columns. So custom columns, this is the group. So to modify this site column, you have to click on the site column. And from here, you can modify it. You can change the name of the column and you can change the group and other selections. If you click on OK, this column will get modified. And delete option is also there in the same page. Click on the site column and this is the delete option. This site column will be removed and all list columns which were created from it will be permanently orphaned. Are you sure you want to delete this column? I'm just clicking on cancel, clicking on cancel. So let me show you how to use this column in a list and a library. I'm opening a list called contact. To add column in this list, have to go to list settings. Here we have an option, add from existing site columns. Click on this. Select the group here, custom columns, and location 4. Click on add. Click on OK. Location 4 column is added. Just go to contact. Location 4 is there. If you click on new, you can find location 4. So this is how we add site columns in a list. Let me show you. Let me show you in one more list. So the same way, just click on the settings, list settings, add from existing site columns, select the group, location 4, click on add, click on OK. Location 4 is added. If you scroll to right side, you'll find location 4, and if you click on new, you can find location 4 column. So we are reusing the column, the site column. We are reusing the site column in multiple lists. So let me show you how to add it to a document library. So I'm going to project documents. This is a document library. Click on library settings, more library settings, add from existing site columns, custom columns, location 4, click on add, click on OK. So location 4 is displaying here. So this is how we can add site columns to a list or a library. Let me open our agenda. So we are done with introduction to site columns, and we have created a site column, and I have shown you option to edit and delete site column. And we have seen using site columns in a list or a library. And the scope of the site column is on the created site and its subsites. So let me show you this option as well. How to use the site column in a subsite. So I have created the site column in this site. Let me show you the subsites. Just click on site contents. So in this site column, in this site, I have one subsite, that is test. So let me open this subsite. So I'm into the subsite. So let me create a list here. click on list, blank list, let's say students, click on create. So just click on list settings, add from existing site columns. Click on custom columns, location 4. So I'm in the subsite and this column is displayed here. So that is the advantage of site columns. So we can reuse within the same site or in its subsites. Yeah, so I've not added that. Let me re-add. Add from existing site columns, custom columns, location 4, click on add, click on OK. So this is added to this list, students list. So location 4 is there. So this is my root site. This is my root site and this is my subsite. Click on site contents, click on subsites. So I can create multiple subsites here by clicking here, click on new, and if you create another subsite, so the same site column is available in that subsite as well. Okay. Let me show you the deleting a site column. Click on site settings, site column. So this is my site column, location 4. So let me delete this column. I want to show you what happens if we delete this site column. The site column will be removed and all list columns which were created from it will be permanently orphaned. Just click on OK. So the site column is deleted. Custom columns. So location 4 is not there. It's deleted. I'm going to contact list. So still the location 4 is available here. So even though if you delete a site column, this column, like whatever you added to the list, that will not get deleted. That column will become local to the particular list. If you want to delete this column, you have to go to list settings and you have to delete that column. You have to select the column and you have to delete from here. So in recruitment tracker also location 4 will be there. So deleting a site column will not delete in the places where you refer that column. Only the site column will get deleted and it's available in the wherever you have referenced that column, in that place it is available. It becomes local to that list. It become a list column, we can say. So we have completed our agenda topics. So if you have any queries, please drop us a message. Thank you.